I'm Barbara Barry, and I've been in business for myself for almost 5 years. Have I made a lot of money? No, I've been afraid to ask anyone else for their money, even though I was fully deserving of the money I asked for my very valuable services. Having done the program with Dr. Shirlene, I released my blocks about money, about my own value, and I just let that all go. And suddenly, money is coming to me like a magnet. Yesterday, I brought in more than $1,000 in one day. That has never happened. It will happen more in the future, but I am just thrilled to pieces with my results from working with Dr. Shirlene.